camera.
Oh my
We're
god.
talking about doing a pool and how many
It's
retards
so
behind
freaking dark out here.
Oh my gosh.
Look!
Insane.
Oh my gosh! Look
That's
around.
fast.
Just look around you.
This is
Yes!
insane.
More dark again.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
it's like,
fast.
It's
Oh my gosh.
a huge increment of
Yeah.
darkness.
It's
It's
food.
It's down now. It's
It
actually
doesn't even
you're-
seem
you're
gradual.
losing
It's
the
like you just look and it's like, whoa, wait
Yeah.
a minute.
Look at it. You're losing the edges now. It's starting to fall over to the
again.
side.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
I want to take a picture. Rob, come click my picture. Come click my camera. On my hands so clear and crisp.
You know what's happening? Like,
Yeah.
bending around.
Yeah.
Will you look at my hand? You can see my
Yeah,
stick.
it's like,
picture
it's in high def now.
It's looking more and more like
Shadows in
like
high
it's a shadow
definition.
on the moon.
Yes.
More and more like the moon.
Moon shadows in high def.
It's like right now, if you're,
Oh my god,
you
it got
can,
darker that fast again.
you can see
Yeah, are you
it
looking?
darkening. You
Look
can
at the
notice
darkening.
it
Yeah.
darkening now.
You can.
Yeah.
Oh, it's happening precipitously now.
It is.
Here we go.
Yeah, it's
Ready,
going
Lily?
pretty quick now.
All right, everybody. Remember, pray to the elder gods. We want it to come back.
No, no, no.
I already got a good word in. So,
Oh my God! Look at that. All that's left to us.
And
Oh my god.
It is utterly freaking amazing.
Did you see that one Facebook post Rob, about that woman who said it was you wanted
my
to
God.
Look how small it's getting now. The sun.
right.
Oh my god, it's just getting darker right
Oh,
now.
Yes, it is.
wow.
Look, there's Venus right there.
Whoa.
Look how bright it is.
You can see that Venus?
Holy God, that right there?
Yeah.
That's Venus. In the middle of the daytime.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta look at
Don't look at the sun.
Start the countdown.
You're fine, Nancy. Look, look, get your glasses on.
10.
Hurry. Aiden, come on.
Like 9,
There it goes.
Oh my gosh.
7,
Shit.
6,
Don't look up, Lily. Or okay.
Here it goes.
5,
Here it
Are you watching
goes.
it?
4, 3, 2.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shit! Take them off. Take them
Oh
off.
man, take your glasses off.
Holy shit! Look at that.
Holy shit.
Wow!
Oh
my gosh!
This is
amazing.
Use my glasses, Adam.
I can't get anything with the camera.
And just adjust to get the right focus.
All right, so we're in
We're in totality.
right now.
Yeah.
Holy
We can look at our glasses.
Oh my god. I wish I
It
could.
is amazing
I can't
to
remember the
see in
damn.
real life.
Fewer than 1% of humans have ever seen this.
Yes.
that
It
are
is
alive
a-
now.
Yeah.
Can you?
It's a black hole in the middle and a ring around. That's what it looks like. And we don't have any glasses
It's
on,
gonna
guys.
be hard.
We're watching
You're not gonna
it
get
right
it.
now.
You can't
Now I'm
get
going
it.
to go over here and we're going to see.
Contrast is all wrong.
There's Venus.
He's trying to
Oh
get
my
it.
God.
There's the planet Venus right there.
I don't even think I'm gonna
This
get
is
it
amazing.
with this.
Oh my word. it's
That is.
amazing.
This is cool. Look
You know,
at the
look at the
horizon. Look at the. It's like
at
sunset. Clear
Yeah,
around.
me too. I'm looking at it now. Just enjoy it.
Oh my
And then look
gosh.
around. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What are you wearing?
Hey, let's
glasses?
everybody be quiet for a second.
Oh yeah, here's the bar. That's a sunset.
Hey, what is that? Is that a star right past the sun? That's Regulus or Regulus. Or
Regulus.
Oh wow.
Hey, everybody, come on over for a selfie.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's plenty of light. There. You're still trying to
Get in here, Lily.
Or by John. Right. Yeah.
Rob, you gotta get your head in there.
Scooch over the other side of John, Rob.
Yeah, go. Go over there. Yep, get next to John, yeah. Oh, you go over here, honey. You're good.
You stay where you are, Aiden.
There we go.
There we go. Got everybody. Everybody but Derek.
Hey,
Get Derek in there.
get in there, Derek. Oh, there you go.
Yay.
Awesome.
Got everybody
He sent us.
Oh, check this out. Okay, Check this now out. look. I'm getting them.
Are you?
Yeah, he's got totality.
Awesome.
Oh my God. I'm gonna take a picture. If I can. Oh, you're gonna send it.
He'll give you a call.
Yeah, he's gonna
gonna send
send
them.
You messing with rough stops?
Unbelievable.
Wait, what is it called?
Oh my God, this is
You've
like
got some decent
amazing.
pictures there.
And feel how cool it is.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Guys, this
Nancy,
is,
you
this
feel
is
how cool?
totality right now. I'm watching. I don't want to miss a thing. This is what it looks like totality.
Remember, as soon as it flashes, look away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as it does what? So
As soon as
It'll
we
flash.
See a flash.
it'll kind of flash.
Oh my
Probably about-
gosh, it's so beautiful. This
About
is
30
amazing.
About 30 seconds?
Yep.
Oh
30
my
more
gosh.
seconds?
Yeah, just stop the phone, Nancy. One.
You see how
Oh, I
it's
am
bright-
off the phone.
See, it's brighter
Oh,
on the
look,
right
it's getting
side.
brighter.
There it goes.
It's doing
There
it.
it goes.
Let's do it. Okay, look away. Look away.
Bam!
That's it.
The dot now.
Oh, you
I
see
see
the
it.
light.
That's epic.
Oh my
All
gosh.
right.
And look at the light changing.
Yes.
Oh my.
Look
Yeah,
how
now
look it's getting bright.
Watch,
Look how
Nancy,
quick.
look around.
I'm looking around. I am.
I mean,
It's
as I'm
brightening.
thinking,
Oh my
Watch
gosh.
it. It's going really quick.
You know what's crazy? It's like I like glanced up for a
a second,
This
and
is
it
why
doesn't look like you. It looks like you should be able to look at it.
Right.
It's weird.
Actually,
I know. I
Like-
do the same
yeah.
thing.
Well, that's yeah. You know what? Yeah, I know what you mean.
You can still see Venus.
I can see your penis.
Oh my gosh, that is the most
Next
amazing
one.
thing.
Hey, Rob, you want to see your anus?
That is seriously the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life.
I know. I'm telling you.
Like,
That was epic.
I can't, I'm
And we
full
did
right
it.
now with chills.
I'm telling you. That is,
Fucking awesome.
Oh my gosh.
look at the brightening. Oh my God. Look
Like,
at
it's
that.
like just all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sure he did, yeah.
Oh, that was
Dad, can you put this
freaking neat.
You got some great totality pictures.
Oh, I didn't think I was going to because I couldn't get it focused. And then I finally got it.
And we had perfect
Everything's
weather.
like
Oh, dude.
South Carolina, eat it.
Yeah.